Beneath our feet, pipelines quietly carry energy. Yet, over time, an invisible threat, corrosion, erodes their integrity, risking safety and reliability. Traditional inspections detect damage, but often only after it's occurred. Worse yet, relying on conservative industry average corrosion rates means either overplanning, wasting resources, or underestimating risk. Meet UtilityIQ, a cutting-edge SaaS built on AWS using advanced AI and machine learning. It doesn't just observe, it predicts corrosion growth. By analyzing inline inspection, ILI, data across time, it predicts corrosion growth rates, enabling probabilistic forecasting and intelligent maintenance scheduling. With UtilityIQ, integrity teams move from reactive guesswork to proactive strategy, visualizing when and where corrosion will escalate, scheduling interventions just in time, not too soon and not too late. The result? Enhanced safety, smarter resource allocation, minimized downtime, and real fiscal savings. Because UtilityIQ combines technical precision with business insight. UtilityIQ. Predict, protect, perform. The future of pipeline integrity. Available today. From Visio Consulting.